Bhagavad Gita, lifestyle changes and creates peace and harmony in the universe.
Bhagavad Gita, Chapter 9, the most confidential knowledge, Raja Vidya Raja Guhya Yogam.
Test 34. मन्मना भव मद्भक्तो मद्याजि माम नमस्करु मामे वैश्यस्य युक्त इवं आत्मानामात्मरायणः. Always think of me, be devoted to me, worship me and offer obeisance to me. Having dedicated your mind and body to me, you will certainly come to me. सदैव मेरा चिंतन करो, मेरे भक्त बनो, मेरी पूजा करो. अपने मन और शरीर को मुझे समर्पित करने से तुम निश्चित रूप से मुझको प्राप्त करेंगे. ఎల్లప్పుడూ నన్నే స్మరించుము, నా పట్ల భక్తితో ఉండుము, నన్ను ఆరాధించుము మరియు నాకు ప్రణామములు అర్పించుము. నీ మనస్సు మరియు శరీరము నాకు సమర్పించుట చే నీవు నా వద్దకు నిస్సందేహముగా వచ్చెదవు. ప్రాక్టికల్ అప్లికేషన్స్. In Bhagavad Gita, Lord Krishna says, is only the authorized and has powers to reduce or nullify the bad karmas and sanction moksha. No other devatas have sanctioning power of birth and death, as he should know who is entering into his sacred abode. The power is kept only with him, but not given to anyone, as they may not judge properly who are pure and who are impure souls. Those who are fully surrendered, they will approach him, others not, as they continuously take birth and death cycle till attain him. Bhagavan says this is the guarantee. Thus, in the Bhaktivedanta purpose to the 9th chapter of the Srimad Bhagavad Gita in the matter of the most confidential knowledge. Prabhupada ki jai. Hare Krishna.